Valutrades.
Welcome to this week's Market Blast Technicals. I'm Brad Alexander, and on behalf of Valutrades, today we will take a look at Dollar Swiss, the Dow Jones Industrial Average, the NASDAQ, WTI, and Pound Aussie. Before we look at technical opportunities, please be aware of our main rule of analysis. Fundamentals take precedent over technicals. If you saw our video yesterday, you will know that we have a full week of major news events and speeches from 20 central banks. That means that these announcements could outweigh your technical analysis, so be careful. Also yesterday we promised to take a look at Pound Aussie, and we now see a bearish flag which could develop into a rising wedge. Both are bearish patterns, so keep an eye on this one. Last week we spotted a buy opportunity on the NASDAQ and it proved successful. The NASDAQ index is now consolidating as investors are waiting for news from the US Federal Reserve this week. We can clearly see the range between support and resistance, but we will be watching Jerome Powell and the stochastic oscillator to see if we have a return to all-time highs. Our buy the dip call on the Dow Jones Industrial Average from last week also worked out, but we may get a temporary pullback as the stochastic oscillator is displaying an overbought signal. Here as well, watch your fundamentals. We are also seeing consolidation on the WTI daily chart after the big fall last month. Here we see a slightly bullish signal as the signal line has crossed out of the histogram on the MACD, but the stochastic oscillator is crossing down from overbought, so we will wait to get some confirmation on direction. And finally, we see a symmetrical pennant on Dollar Swiss on both price action and the stochastic oscillator. We might consider these to be bearish consolidation patterns, but again, be aware of this week's US and Swiss interest rate decisions. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Valutrade Signals, and the link will be in this video's description below. Also, subscribe to our YouTube channel and register on the Valutrades website to get notifications on new content as it happens. That's all for now. Happy trading with Valutrades, and we will see you next time. CFDs and FX are leveraged products, and your capital may be at risk.